I'm gonna keep it real simple. You have to be chosen to be a part of this group.
Yeah.
You definitely have to be a millionaire though.
Yes, I think this will work. I'm about to make you work for this 45,000 commission.
I know you are.
I'm enjoying this side of money.
No, we good. I need her.
It's China for money, baby.
New dude, back up.
Okay.
New dude, back up.
Hold up.
China Bentley.
Girl, I'm ready to buy the whole store.
Coming to you, a city near you, and wherever else near you.
Don't put me out without a piece of chicken. Ice on the mic, the beast, and I'm here.
Hearing that somebody else made it through something that's even darker than what you're going through right now gives a little bit of hope for that individual to know that, you know what? If you did it, I could do it too.
Protected like the mayor. High lead camaraderie, haters despair. Yeah.
Music is a huge part of our, unity with my husband and I. We both had a passion for music early on, so I went to school for music business, became certified, and he was just talented. He got on a keyboard, and I mean, it just was like magic.
Yeah, check this out.
We went from really tripping out of a $500 keyboard to having over, $30,000 studio in the home. So we blessed to even have the opportunity to come downstairs out the bed and come into a facility where we can actually produce platinum music. We've been through some very tough times. I know what it looks like to be on the bottom. Coming from New Orleans, dealing with the devastations of Katrina. I'm a breast cancer survivor, so I know what it's like to be laying on my deathbed.
Hi, how are you?
And my cry was that God would just use me to help his people, that I would do my best to make a difference in so many people's lives. I'm committed. That's why I can't quit. I'm dedicated. What are my options? What I'm gonna go back to? To be able to become debt-free within 6 months, to be able to go on a car lot and purchase the car of your dreams with cash money, to be able to live in a home that not even you were expecting. I really appreciate all the upgrades and everything, but I'm about to make you work for this 45,000 commission
I know
check.
you are.
I knew from the beginning that I needed to work this business like my life depended on it, because for me, it did.
Watch China on the Amateur Millionaires Club, the new Get Rich reality show, Sunday nights, 10:30 p.m. on MyATL.